Welcome to the 2024 Stelvio Moto Guzzi Reset Tool tutorial. Making this, I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm not getting endorsed by OBD Star, which is the unit we're using that I got off eBay for $380 delivered. Talked to Moto Guzzi. I got a Moto Guzzi dealership that's 2 hours away. And I don't want to drive 2 hours away because I do my own oil changes. I do my own valve adjustments, and it's just ridiculous to pay hundreds of dollars to go down there for a service when you can just do it yourself. So with no further ado, we're going to go up here and turn on the ignition. We're not going to fire it up. We're just going to turn the key on. And you're going to notice that my wrench is not on, because I bought this about 1,500 miles ago and I reset it because it was so annoying. But I'm doing an oil change today and I want to reset it again because it's on a timed interval. So this is the unit. It comes with its own little serial port here and a plethora of different attachments here. Okay, this is the one you want. You just clip it in, and here is the serial port. Moto Guzzi dealership did not want to share this with me, and they wanted to play stupid about getting a reset tool. And this tool, by the way, does a lot of stuff. We're not going to get into that. We're just showing you how to get rid of the annoying wrench. Plug it in. Ignition is on. We're going to go over here. One of the things you need to know is the main thing. I fumbled through this thing for about, I don't know, 30 minutes before I figured it out. I'm not technologically advanced, so I'm going to show you it's really easy. The main thing that I read online was to hook it up to Wi-Fi, and I did that. What they didn't tell me was you have to register this thing. It's got a help key that walks you through it. You want to register the serial number, the model number, and I think it's more warranty stuff than anything else. And when I bought this off eBay, I did a search for V100 reset tool or OBD tool, and this came up and it said it would work with a V100. So I got it, registered it. After that, it was pretty easy peasy. So we go over here, the screen that we're gonna log out of this, okay. I'm going to log out. So this is what you're going to see. Escape. I'm going all the way to the rear. So once you get everything registered, you're going to get to the home screen. Okay. You want to go to Moto Diag. Then you want to go to Moto Guzzi. Then it's highlighted on Moto Guzzi V33. When you do the register and stuff, it's going to upgrade to the most recent software. You hit enter. Okay, and then it says diagnostic. Hit enter again. And this is part really screwed me up. This is what I spent most of my time fighting with. You know, it says please enter input serial number, and you list it there, and then when you hit enter, nothing happens. It doesn't recognize it. Don't even waste your time with that. You have this column I figured out, A through whatever, and each A is an initial for the model number. A on this one, of course, is a Doce and a Doce Carbon. We'll go back. B is Breva, so on and so on. You want to go straight down to V for V100. The newest one they got on here is a 2022, and it looks like they basically got it for a Mondello and a Mondello ES. I just hit V100 and OK. And then I went down here to here. Now you can adjust all kinds of crazy stuff, guys. And I'm not going to waste your time with that. I just got this thing, and I'm not really interested in any other stuff you can adjust. It's amazing if you spend time flipping through it. You just want to go to special functions and get rid of that annoying amber light that they want to charge you $200 or $300 to do a service and reset it. Select that, enter, and it's a service light reset. And it's highlighted, it says 1. We're going to enter it again, press OK to do it. It's in progress, it's carried out and done. That's it. That light will turn out, I promise you. And that's it. You just want to escape. and log out. And that's all you got to do. Now, you want to make sure your unit's charged. I forgot to charge mine. It does have a charging port right here. And I believe it's got like a USB-C that you can probably charge it as well. And it's got a bunch of other ports too. But it does come with a charger, which is AC. So I hope that helps you guys out. Good luck. And if I have any more service tips or video stuff that needs to be done that's not on YouTube, I will certainly post it. Thanks.